chat. We back. We back. Take some of these pins, boy. You know what I mean? Especially that CHESSABLE one. Yeah. We back. Yeah, I had to pause it for a minute. Yeah, no, not this time. We didn't do a countdown. It was just regular. Yeah.
There's a huge crowd here.
That's right. It's a huge crowd here. Right. Back. We see who's in the room. What's up, bro? What's good, man? You alright? How you doing, man? What's up, Mitchell? Good to see you, bro. Yes, sir.
I see you all the time. See no James.
Exactly, right? Yeah.
I seen him.
Yeah.
Like, no, I didn't met him.
Yeah. I get to meet you in person, bro. Makes you feel good. Yes, sir, bro. You're here on the stream right now. Charlotte. How you doing in the tournament? Okay. Wait, are we recording? Yeah, we streaming right now. Oh, wait, what's in that cup, bro? What's in that cup?
It's
What's in that cup?
it's double jack.
Double jack.
Yeah. Also, I'm trying to find John Bartholomew.
Oh, John is here. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's like walking around. Where is he? John? Oh, he's over there. Yeah. You got to go say that to John.
Should we do it?
You're right. You're right.
Should we do it?
Exactly. Let's go do it. Let's go to it. Y'all want to see John Bartholomew?
What's up, Chad?
Wow.
So,
look at that, chat.
Calculation over everything.
Oh, that COE in the chat. COE in the chat right now.
I quoted that in my lecture.
Oh, over everything, bro. Every big John, chat. Come on now.
John. So Richard Francisco is playing
Yeah, he took the rook, so like, I don't know, it was iffy. That's like an elephant's defense.
Good, John. Right, sniper.
No, I literally played 1 A4, E5, rook A3.
Chris Yu. It's Chris Yu. We just lost to Chris. You know, he probably about to take the tournament. Ain't nobody touching Chris, bro.
Okay.
Maybe near Ditch. That's about it. Yeah. Chris Yu, chat. We're chilling with the big dogs here. What's up?
Right.
Got used. Yeah, I'll take you.
Playing around
I heard something. There goes that man, exactly. I need Chris Yu on stream, bro. He right here. He right here. Yeah, he right here. He probably should start your own stream. You know Jeffrey streaming. Right. Hello to chat. Yeah. Jeffrey streams all the time now. Jeffrey's on the chat. Okay. He streams all the time. Yeah, we here. Survive. What's up, Bushy Discovery, Chris Yu? You know, people here. Yeah.
It's got to have a name.
The vibe is here. Nice game, Chris. Yeah, for sure. You is a beast. Yeah, for sure. Watch all the games. Make sure you check the games online, too. Greetings. What's up, man? What's good? Bro, too late for TV. I know my play. What's up? That's funny, bro. Oh, no, my queen. I see you. What up? What's good, man? Again, there's John Bartholomew right there. JD chat. Mr. CHESSABLE himself. Right. Mr. CHESSABLE. That's right. Yeah, is it the pairings? Oh, no, that's the old one. Those pairings is already up. Those pairings is already up.
You have to answer the question. Contribute here. I don't know how to speak it.
JB is here. Yeah, JB is here. John Bartholomew. Yeah. I wish I could be there and finally meet you in person. Canty, so many high level people. Yeah, it's fire here, bro. Yeah, it's a lot of amazing people here, man. Tani just walked by. I just saw Tani. So Tani was here. Yeah, everybody here, bro. So we're just waiting on the next round now. I'd love to be here. You would love to be here right now. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. 2 rounds left tomorrow. We got 4 games left. We just played 2. So we got 4 games left. Hope I can see you in the tourney soon. Yeah, I mean, I'm out here. I'm doing my tourney, so we're going around doing our thing. Yeah. Zomig in the house. What up, Zomig? I'm raising my
good, guys?
What's up?
How y'all doing?
Yo, what's up, chat? Y'all see him?
What section you playing in, bro?
I'm in the U.S. I'm in the U.S. Masters.
Masters.
Yeah, the Masters.
What rating are you?
I'm 2158, but I got 3.5 out of something. Out of 7.
James is not even playing. He's not even playing, homie.
He's not even playing.
I'm not even playing. Not even playing. You know what I mean?
I got you. I
I've
got you.
been playing
You got
well.
the muscles and the brains there, right?
I mean, you're playing. You're not even playing.
You on Twitch or Instagram Live?
Twitch right now.
Twitch?
Yeah. Twitch. GM Canty.
Alright.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys? We in the U1100.
You 1100.
U1100.
Let's go. That's me.
Oh, that's him. There we go.
You know we dress for it. We dress for it.
Everybody wants to get on the stream. Everyone wants to get on James Canty's stream.
I know.
My guy.
Dude, I would love to, man. I'm an actual player.
Hey, bro, take it easy. You win the
Thanks,
next
bro.
2 rounds, all right?
You do the same, bro. Do the same, my guy. For real. So good to see you, man. Say bye to the chat.
The muscles and the brains.
That's right. That's right. I see you.
Right here, y'all follow him.
Hey, what's up?
Eugene, I know Eugene. Yo, Zomig with the sub. Zomig 3 months. He right here, bro. He right here. He right here, chat. Yeah, y'all see him?
Dude,
Right there.
and also,
Zomig with the chat.
dude, Maxine's
right
always
there.
hurting. Maxine's always
Yeah,
hurting.
he knows.
It's like, Maxine.
Mike Z.
No. Please don't hurt me again.
Mike Z, but then he come in and win like he did last time. Like his last tournament.
He always comes in and wins.
Yeah, I know, right?
He's fucking these people.
Yeah, he is. Yeah. He acts like he's terrible. He acts like he's not terrible. He knows what he's doing. Here and there. Right.
And he was like,
Yeah, he did. He did. His last tournament? Yeah, he went crazy.
every tournament.
Every tournament.
And then he complains to me.
Yeah.
He's like, oh man, I'm so sad. Oh, James thinks I'm sad.
Yeah, he does do that. We don't think that.
No.
Look at Tani. So much energy, Chad. Thanks for the follow, DGR. Have you met Deepak here? Yeah, Deepak over here. Hold on, let me show you that message. I just saw him. There you go, right here. Hold on, look.
You know anything? Yo, what's up?
Have you met Deepak Aaron? Of course, I know this guy. This is my guy, DG Rob, DR Rob.
Who's DJ?
I'm not sure. Who is that?
Say your name
Oh yeah, who are you?
so I can know. Is he from Atlanta? Oh, Don Tani. Don Tani's my boy.
Oh yeah.
One of the best drummers I've ever seen.
Wow.
That guy's a legend.
Dang. That's crazy. We're gonna see him right now. This is Big Gunner. His name Gunner, bro. His name Gunner.
Gunner, it's all the same.
That's a hard name, bro. That's a hard name. Let's say Phil Ferguson.
Hard.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
You know him?
From New York.
From New York. Okay. My boy Deepak be nice with the wrestling. I
We're
heard
on the
about
stream, bro. Unite here.
Yeah, also, Gunner's the man.
that. Yeah, Gunner, man. We both took down a G on first round.
We did, yeah.
We
I
both
haven't
did.
beat anyone since.
Yeah, same. I've had all draws and a loss.
I've
All
had
draws.
2 losses, or no, 2 losses and all draws.
Oh man. Gunner's the stuff out here. It's G Money. Gunner, chat. That's right. All right, pairings up, chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Tall dude. Pairings are up. Let's get the next one. What's up, bro? Yeah, that's Dalton. That's Matty D. Paris. Tall dude. Right there. Deep in the house. Yeah, we deep. Next pairings are up.
All right, so I lost, so I should be. Let's see who I got.
Do I got white this game? I do. Wait, where am I?
James Canty.
Yo,
It's nice to meet you. I was
good
in the
man.
chat, like,
Oh, you was in the chat?
Yeah.
What's your username, bro?
Degench or Degench.
Okay.
You probably don't recognize me. I'm not.
Oh, this under 2,000
I've been
bucks.
following for a while.
Oh, thanks for following, bro. Appreciate you. Yeah, we streaming right now, bro.
Streaming right now.
Shout out to you, bro. Bounce back,
You want to do OTB Bash later?
Oh, TV back? Yeah, we can do something. Yeah, we can play. Yeah, for sure. What's your discovery right there, chat? Time for a W. We need one. Oh, pairings up over here. Excuse me. Time for a dub, exactly.
Wait, really?
White and boy 36. Okay. White and boy 36. Alright. There we go. That's Mark. Mark blocking.
Which stream is this, yours?
Yeah, this is me, yeah. Streaming right now, chat. Yeah.
Are you gonna hold that while playing?
Yeah. Well, I put it on the side. Yeah.
Make sure you're comfortable. Good luck, James.
Thanks, bro. 200 IQ. What's up, Canty? What's good? Yo, P5, what's up, man? White boy 33, so. Let's see what we got. White boy 33. I didn't know his name until now, but that's pretty cool. Whose name? What are you talking about?
Canty!
Yo. Zomig, what up? Zomig. White boy, I'm over here. Okay. White boy 33. Right, here go Amon right there, chat. Amon talking to Lil Peter. Here go Gunner.
Next to each other, bro.
Yeah, we know, you know what I'm saying? It's time to work. What's up, yo? Oh, Deepak? Yeah, Deepak, yeah. I'm gonna just put this right here if you don't mind. Thanks, bro. A little bit of room. What happened? Oh, what, me?
I'll move it back.
I'm on 36. Can't you? You're right, bro. I'm at the wrong table. He like, no, I know I'm not playing you, bro. I'm over here, chat. I'm on 36. I'm at the wrong board. I'm at the wrong board. I'm over here. Like, let me make sure I get to the right board here. Here we go. I'm right here. I'm right here. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's up, everybody? Streaming right now. Yo, yeah, this is where we are, chat. White board 36. That's where we are. Okay. Sorry about that. You can start? Yeah, everybody else started, yeah. I couldn't hear it either. I'm like, okay. I couldn't hear it either. shots, man. What?
I sacked too many pieces, man. Sacked a lot, right? Yeah, sacked everything. I'm streaming, right? Yeah. GG, bro. Sacked too many pieces. Sacked too much, chat. Yeah, I thought I did too, but I mean, I sacked way too much. I had a winning position. I sacked way too much. Thanks for the shout out. What up, Vinley? That's good. Let's see what the big dog's doing. I lost. Yeah, just playing.
Yo, we're
just
gonna have
playing
a
games.
three-man blitz match after. Are you staying?
3-man blitz. What do you mean?
You staying?
Jeez.
Daniel
You got the win. He beat the GM. He beat the GM. Yeah, I'm playing.
Okay, how's it going?
I got half out of 3.
Oh, man.
Draw, and then lost to Christopher Yu. I'm like, why did you pair me with him, bro? Why did you pair me with Christopher Yu, bro? You see they paired me with Christopher Yu after that? That was the GM. Yeah. The other guy, the guy that lost was the GM. I mean, this is a Blitz tournament, right? Yeah, White won that. I know her. Yeah, White was losing it. Yeah, this is anything happens. Anything happens. Did you see if you saw my first game, I sacked my queen in a beautiful fashion for checkmate, and then still ended up in the draw. It was Blitz. Like, you don't care as much. You don't care as much. It's still fun though. Just getting games in, warming up for tomorrow. Last 2 rounds on tomorrow. Yo, Zomig. Tense Hennessy coming through for sure, right? It's like, oh yeah, it's definitely fun. It's fun.
Oh, the man himself, a streamer.
Yeah, man, he live right now. And you see go up, it's like a stampede. You compare versus anyone. Exactly. That's how it is usually. That's how it goes. Still out here. Miro Ditsky, chat. Y'all ain't see him. The man himself. Y'all know who that is. What's up, Maya? What up? What's good? Yo, Oladapo. What's up, man? We live right now, yo.
What's up?
Yo, it's Oladapo, International Master.
That fact that you made any legal moves was amazing.
You're having a nice chat during the game. I don't know. Your opponent. I don't know.
Zay, your guy? Who's your guy? What you talking about, bro? I am with friends on ChessConf. Probably. There's a lot of people through here right now. Smooth. Very smooth. Could be a guy. Could be somebody you don't know. Oh, thanks, man.
You can get a photo.
Oh, yeah, for sure, bro. Yeah, let's get your photo.
Sorry, mate. Do you want to take a photo?
Oh, that's Kostia, chat. Look at that, Kostia. We got Kostia taking the photo. Kostia from Chess Dojo.
She's just an IM. She's not an IM. I'm gonna get that picture.
I've been really cheeky and asked your signature as well.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate you.
Can I ask my signature as well?
Yeah. Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not being cheeky.
For sure. No, I got you, bro. I got
Mate,
you.
I love your
I'm saying.
commentary. You're so like, you get me like so hyped with like with your videos. And, like
Yeah.
a lot of people who commentate, they're a bit like
Lame.
stale with it.
Right.
But like you're making it fun. Like
That's
it's
what-
fun.
that's my job.
It's
That's
fun
what I'm gonna
anyway.
do. I
But like
appreciate you watching,
you're just
my
being
guy.
like you're being like, oh, okay,
We're on the stream right now. You know what I'm saying?
from England.
From England, bro. You hear the accent, chat? Yeah. How you doing in the tournament?
3 for 1. 3 and
Okay,
1.
3 and 1.
Not too
3
bad.
Nice.
This
yeah.
one, not as good.
Yeah, but I mean it's blitz, right?
Yeah.
It's blitz is blitz. That's
Blitz
what happens.
is
Blitz,
Yeah,
right? Exactly.
Yeah, mate. Pleasure to meet you. But yeah.
Thanks, bro. Tag me in the photo on Instagram.
Yeah, you're getting it on the commentary.
Thanks,
man.
bro.
It's sick.
I appreciate you, my guy.
So sick to
Stay
meet you.
up,
Thank
bro.
you.
For sure. It's like 30 seconds. Kostia, yeah, Kostia. Yeah. What's up, dog? What's good, man? Yeah, Kostia was around here. Where'd he go? He just like took a picture and dipped out. That's how Kostia is. Tuesday, right? They Canty funny. What's up, dog? I saw you once. What's up? What's up? Danya. Where's Danya? Oh, yeah, he back there. Yeah, he back there just being Danya, right? Doing Danya stuff. It's a lot being Danya, you know what I mean? Yep. GM Canty. Yeah. Hey, chat, familiar face walking by, right? Boom, y'all see that man? John Bartholomew. Yeah, y'all know who that is. Let's go, Danya. That's right. Hey, Danya. That's right. Hey, Canty, super cool. Yo, what up, Jeff? Chef. My guy. Thanks, Andy. Who is winning the tournament? Do you mean the Blitz or the Classical? Blitz, I'm not sure. Classical, I'm actually still not sure. I think Meredisky or Ramirez, Alejandro just won. Alejandro, I think, has the most points. I'm actually very close to Norm tomorrow. I just need to perform and just do well. And I can come out with the Norm. I beat 2 out of 3 with GMs in the OTB Classical. So I did good. Lost 1 game, rest draws, 1 win against over a GM. So I'm pushing good. With 50%, 3.5 out of 7. 2 rounds tomorrow, and I can definitely get a Norm. So I'm just gonna, play good chess, see what happens. What's the mon score? I'm not even sure, bro. Following your Canty chances? Yeah, chances I am Norm, my guy. You know it. I think it's 6 out of 7. Ramirez? Oh, that's nuts. Minus 4 out of 7. Yeah, like I got a half point less. Right. So tomorrow, imagine if I win both tomorrow, right? Like.
He's lying. I'm not lying. He's lying.
What happened?
He's lying. He's lying. No, he's lying. He's lying. He's lying. You admitted to it.
The kids, chat. The kids. Little Tony, exactly. What's the info on the That's the brother. That's the crazy one. He says. Right. And the kids, you see them? All the kids here, chat. Yeah, Chris, you or somewhere around.
Cap, whatever this guy, I'm not lying. Whatever he says. No cap. Wait. Whatever he says. Do not take it as a grain of salt. Do not. Like you take it with a grain of salt. Yeah. I actually said salt of grain in my class.
Salt of grain.
I said a salt of grain in my class. I said, it was in health class last year. And I'm like, wait, oh yeah, you need to take this with a salt of grain. You need to, and we talk about social media. So take social media. It's true. He admitted to it.
What up, Simon? Cool story, bro. Cool story, bro. All right. Take it with a salt of grain, chat. Salt of grain, not a grain of salt. That's new. Take it with a salt of grain. That's too funny. Katie, can you ask Danya a question for me? All right, let me see. Well, let me see if Jeff, you can ask him right here, bro. So Jeff is in the chat. Jeffrey. He says, can you ask Danya a question for me? So he's right here, bro.
If there's an official broadcast, the answer is no.
He already answered it. The prophet spoke here, Jeffrey. The answer is no, Jeffrey. The answer is no. Okay. Jeffrey, we got Man Bunovich there. Ostrovsky.
Canty broadcast.
You know what I'm saying? We here, baby. We here. They're cute until you go off the board. Until they blow you off the board, right? Okay, thank you. No problem. Got you. Yeah, there's no official broadcast. Yo, there's no official broadcast. There is no official broadcast. Yo, you and Danya have been pulling me up the rating ladder. That's our goal, man. That's our goal. Oh, the pairings up? That's 2,000. Hey, our pairings ain't up yet. They about to be up. Never be up. Yo, playing Daniel? Good luck, bro. Woo-hoo, you gonna need it. You gonna need all the luck you can get on that one, big fella. Because, Daniel Meredisky, that's gonna be that's a rough pairing. At any time, control, in any format. Is there another blitz round tonight? Yeah, it's 3 more. You're like, you're not playing. Who not playing? You talking about, dude? Oh, you talking about Yeah, Danya not playing. Yeah, Danya not playing, Luther. Exactly. Oh, pairing's up. Pairing's up. Powering's up. Is Danya going to G? He's going to win. Let's go, man. Good luck to you. 35 white. It's fucking.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You better win.
Ryan, yeah.
That's a big ass.
Excuse me.
You better win the round.
Bro, this tournament is just as like. It's a tournament at 10 p.m. It's a Blitz tournament. There's so because it's after the rounds. Like you can't have a Blitz tournament during the classical. What are you talking about, right? So that's why I do it. CEO exactly. Yeah.
No, 94 was serious.
Black board 40 here. Bro, I'm playing FM. Like these are the hardest pairings. I had an FM, GM, and then 2 other FMs. Like I thought this would be. I thought this would be a cool. What's up, man? It's good, bro. I thought this would be a smooth, like a fun, easy Blitz tournament. But in fact, this is a high level tournament, bro. What this? I didn't even sign up for this. You know, I use all my energy in the classical games. This is a hard tournament. 40. Black board 40. Thanks, bro. Black board 40. Where's Gary? Gary's somewhere around here. I don't think Gary's playing though. I don't think Gary's playing. I don't think he's playing, to be honest.
I just saw James Canty's live stream.
Yeah, bro. We right here, man. Yo. What's up, dog? I'm famous. I'm famous. All right. Flip this around. When it's wound up, it's over. It's all right. That's right, man. All right. Let's do it.
I'm not even sitting there. Not good. Nothing can go right.
Hey, got the dub, got the dub, got the dub, chat. Let's go, let's go. Ah, I needed that. Needed that. Got the dub, chat. Let's get some energy. Can we get like 100 subs right now? You ain't gotta do 100, but you can do half. You know what I mean? But thanks for that, chat. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Got the dub, got the dub, got the dub. Mr. Rio, what up, man? Thanks for the follow.
It was a good game.
It was a good game?
Yeah,
Okay.
I could show you the game.
Okay, perfect. That's a good game. That's a good game then. You had white or black?
I was black.
Yeah, black. Okay, what did he play?
Alapin.
Oh, Alapin. Okay, nice.
So each so
Nice.
I would probably do the better.
Yeah, nice. But I mean, you know how strong he is.
I know, man.
You know how strong he is. So to get that, that's good. That's good on you, boy. That's good on you. Amon mated him with a bishop and knight, huh? Oh, okay. Oh, Amon mated with a bishop and knight.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah.
Looking at the guy.
Right there,
That's what I
Chad.
do. That's what I do.
There he is, Chad. Right there.
That was a game.
Amon mated with a bishop and a knight. You know what I mean? That's my dog. That's my dog. Shout out to A Money. He beat Nyan? Nah, he didn't. He said he played a good game though. Come at that. He didn't beat him. He played a good game, he said. He didn't beat him. Say hi to Dapo from me, Canty. Who are you, Professor? Name-wise, so I can tell all the Dapo. Mom Danya. I want to see the action. I had under a minute for most of the game. Wait, me? Wait, who? Hi. Of course. Yeah, you can get a photo. Of course. Let's go over here. All right. All right. Of course. Yeah, of course. You want me to sign it? Oh, wow. I can sign it. That's sweet. That's sweet. Yeah, let me sign it for you. Look, I got you chess kit. Is that a sticker? Oh, I thought that came. Okay. It looked like it was embroidered in there. That's pretty nice.
Just across the top.
And across the top of here?
Just like a regular pen.
Oh, this is sweet. There we go.
Awesome.
No problem. You're welcome. All right. Keep it up, girl. Keep it up.
I follow you too, Canty, but
Thanks,
because
bro.
of physique.
Let's get it,
I
man.
haven't seen you play chess yet.
I see you with the chess bro hat, my guy.
Oh, yeah,
You out
If I
here?
get a picture with you?
Yeah, for sure, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. Where's this? Me in Charlotte right now. Me in Charlotte. Mark Plotkin.
Big cheese. Okay, we gotta take that again. You guys.
Okay.
Great. Big cheese. Bro, you gotta quit closing your
I'm not. Are
eyes.
you joking with me?
No, I'm not joking,
Okay, take it
bro.
one more
Like
time.
you look like you got sleepy eyes.
That's just my eyes. I'll open them for you.
Alright, open the camera back up. I got an iPhone, bro. I ain't got
Right.
We
Samsung.
streaming, we gotta hit it up.
No, you good. You good. You taking pictures, chat?
We out here with everybody.
Say bye. Let's get it.
Hi, big smile. There we go.
I'm tired.
Photo.
It's been a long day.
Guys,
It's been a long. No problem, bro. No problem. No problem. I got two losses. Draw and a win. How many points you got? 3 out of 4. Nice. What section you in? You in the open? Oh, you in the under 2,000. Look at that, chat. Under 2,000. Kid, 3 out of 4 in the Blitz. Ooh, be careful. Force to be reckoned with. You should be in the open. It's nice to see someone super nice to fans. That's how I am, man. That's how I am. Yeah. Ambassador for the game. That's funny. I like that. What's that? Oh, thank you. Good luck to you too, bro. For sure. Bright show. Bright show. I see you, bro. I see you, bro. What's up, man? Good, man. We still streaming, bro. Yeah, we still streaming right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm playing Blitz. We got 2 games left. 1.5 out of 3. Ryan Amberg having a tough time. It's pretty rough. That's what I just played. Right here. That's who Amon made it with the Bishop in the Knight. I think that's why y'all brought that up. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, that's
What up, everybody? What's up, everybody?
Yeah, that's Ryan.
So, James?
Well,
James, I love you.
Love you too, bro.
Love you, my man.
Love you too, bro. This is Eugene, man.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, love you too.
What's up, Falling? What's up, our fans?
We here, chat. You know
Only
it.
fans?
Only fans, chat. Only fans. It's a family channel. Yeah. I'm super motivated.
Dude, what is his name?
Well, Nico Chase? Yeah, that's Nico. We got kids watching. It's like James Paul. I'm a chess bar was streaming it too. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I know. I made a few cameos through there. If y'all didn't see, I had a few cameos. Every time I walked up to his... Did anybody see me? Was anybody able to catch me when I walked up to see his game?
This guy is a legend. I can't believe you're live streaming. How fucking cool are you?
I'm here right now.
Hey,
Francisco on the stream, bro.
If I get you a drink, are you going to drink it on the
Oh,
stream? Or is that
yeah.
illegal?
Yeah, that's fine.
What do you want?
What's he drinking?
This is like, what is this, Jack and Coke?
That's right.
Or Crown and Coke?
I'm Crown and Coke.
Okay. Real Coke or Diet?
Diet.
That's right. You look like you're happy, bro. All right, we'll be right back.
About to get a drink, chat. Ooh, got a drink, chat. Ooh.
This guy's huge.
They're getting a drink from me, chat. You know what I'm saying? That's the kind of hospitality we getting over here. Kind of hospitality. Crown Coke. Hold the Coke. Hold the Coke. About to be some spicy clothes now. Oh, for sure. Blitz games are posted. Yeah, your boy was who has the double jackets lit with 2 T's. No, he stay like that. Oh, he be lit a lot. That's Eugene. He lit every tournament during the game. In fact, during the game. I think I got to have spicy chess. Blitz and alcohol equals fun. That's right, bro. That's right. Streaming right now. We on the stream. Say what up. What's up, dog? That's Nico over there, chat. Nico, yep. Yeah. The U.S. Masters games are, of course, yeah, for sure. Yeah, the U.S. Masters games have been lit. I'm 3.5 out of 7 right now. Versus GMs and IMs only. Every round I had a GM or an IM, and I have 3.5 out of 7. So 2 out of 3 against GM. So I'm playing great chess. Thank you, bro. I just gotta finish strong tomorrow. Finish strong, I can norm up. So I'm just gonna go in there and do what I gotta do. Just keep pushing. Act like it's day one. Go in there and go crazy tomorrow. I'm gonna do it. We got 2 rounds left. Keep grinding. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Waiting on the next rounds. 2 rounds left. All that study is paying off, bro. Keep it up. It does. It does pay off. I like to tell the stream or the students a lot about the compound effect, right? I'm getting close to 2200 by now. It's over 22 now. It's over 22 because I had 2 back-to-back tournaments. I'm up about 60 points right now. But over 22 undefeated. Can't you make a brother on the stream chess tournaments? Okay, please, let's get it. Yeah, I got a lot of elo going on. And I got 2 rounds left, so I can really beef up the elo. These last 2, I need all that. Run me my elo. What's the highest rating? There's a 26-something here. Near Disky, 26-something. Honestly, impressive. Thanks, bro. Let's go. Congrats, man. I hope you keep playing. I definitely will. Oh yeah, this is we don't stop for nothing. It's not a sport where like you get injured. You don't get injured playing chess unless you hurt your brain. You know what I'm saying? From doing the calculations, COE, right? Make sure you put COE in the chat. COE, definitely. It hurts your brain. That could happen. Finish strong channel, I am, bro. So even if I got as good as you, I would be regularly. There's no chance. CEO, right? COE. Oh my bad. My blood pressure. I thought you meant Canty, huh? 2360, right? Motivation is here. It's there. The motivation is there, bro. When you hurt your brain, you gotta refuel on that brain fuel. Come on, Greg. Yeah, that's Pushy Discovery in the chat. Every time y'all see him, just so y'all know who that is. FM. Filet Master. Strong. It's nothing but strong players around here. You said what? Mark Potter did what? Oh, he's right there, yeah. Big Mark.
The camera's always on me.
The camera's on Mark, chat. You know what I mean? The ladies love him. Ladies love him.
Where's the other?
I got a 1.5. I lost
Time
two.
to win the rest.
I know. I beat
Time to show the
exactly
rest
right.
of the spot.
Man, they paired me with Christopher Yu in the second round. I was like, bro, come on.
I mean, they do
Come
you
on,
dirty.
bro.
They doing you dirty.
Christopher Yu in the second round? Come on, bro.
What was your rating before?
The guy you played in the second round was 2573 rating. Yeah. Bro, it's Christopher Yu, bro. It's Christopher Yu. Come on. Come on, bro. And I played a great game, but lost. Like, I understand. Come on, it's a blitz game. Over the board, everything always different. In my first round, I beat the 25-12, right? But it's, you know, that's classical. Blitz is always different.
You what? I'm dead. Who you
Let's see
playing?
what I got. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm playing white, probably. What board?
Wait, who?
White at board 32. White at board 32. Hi, Canty. Good luck. Thank you, man. White at board 32. Is this round 5? Yeah. So we got 2 rounds left. White board 32. Thank you, Big Toes. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I got you. Yo. Man, that's nice. I don't have to go look at that no more then. Y'all can do it for me. Thanks, Big Toes. Appreciate it. White at board 32. You see everybody here, chat? There's so many people here, chat. It's like so many people here right now. So many people. 32 are incorrect, chat. Let's go, bro. So you funny. Yeah, white at board 32. Where you incorrectly sat earlier. I did sit there, didn't I? I sat at board 32 looking crazy. Got 1.5. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Pretty rough for the blitz. White at board 32. All right, here we go. What's up, man?
What's up, James?
What's good? You right here, chat.
James.
Yo, James is I'm the better James.
Gotta show you.
Oh, wow. I'm happy to see chess finally getting popular. Yeah, chess popular out here. What's up, man? Yo, what's up? You're here at 32 is Carlson. Okay, that's funny. Good luck, right. Thank you, right, Luca? Joe Bob? Hey, we could. It's like everyone having a good time. Everybody having a great time. Great time. You know what I mean? Hey, good. Oh, right. You're right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody this time. Yeah, we try to get as much as we can. I saw Dipolino. There he is. You figure you or him. It's me. G Perspective. Thanks for the follow.
Good luck.
momentum. Yeah, finally. Finally getting some momentum here. Bring it in, Jake. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, Bryce. I had to kind of turn up there because of the trash talk. That always takes me to another level. So I focused that game. I really focused in. Let me make sure we got the focus on here. All right, we good. Thanks for streaming this. I'm glad I could, bro. Glad I could. It's lots of games still going. People still playing. So dumb.
Canty.
Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I gotta forfeit to get that stream. Oh, damn, bro. Oh, man. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you anyway.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers to you.
Atlanta, but you're the man.
Thanks, bro.
I'll never
Chad,
forget.
look at that. Chad, hold on. This is the man right here. Let me turn it around.
No, you don't need to mess your chat out with all this.
No, we got to, bro. Cheers,
I'm
Chad.
fat. I'm old. Next guy.
That's Rich Francisco, Chad, out of Atlanta if y'all down there.
Atlanta, where they at? Where's
They everywhere. Where y'all at, Chad? Put it in the chat. Where you from? Where you from? We got Atlanta here. San Francisco. Where y'all at, Chad? We got Colorado, Bermuda. Yeah, it was. I know it was fun, bro. I remember those. Cheers from Vermont, Colorado, Iowa, Virginia, North Carolina, Nashville, Canada.
How'd you do this round?
I won this one.
Nice.
I won 2 in a row.
That's
Yeah.
it. Well,
You know what I'm saying?
this is your reward.
You know what I'm saying? Right, baby.
You're in the best stream
Appreciate
in
you,
America.
bro.
Do it.
Best stream in America, Chad.
That's right.
Love it. That's my dog. Ooh, that's strong. Pretty good, Chad. Got a drink going right now. Having a little drink. Good, bro. What's up? Just Joseph Vaughn, Chad. Y'all know him. Yeah, what's up? How you doing in the tournament?
Main one or first?
Both, actually.
I have 3 out of 6 in the
Okay.
Blitz, so I got,
Nice.
Or no.
3 out of 6 in the main. 3 out of... Wait.
How many games have we played?
All right, exactly. We play so many
3 out
games.
of 5 in this and 2.5 out.
2.5, yeah. It's
I'm
tough.
withdrawing.
How many
It's real
hours?
low rated.
Oh, yeah, I understand.
good
It was a good tournament, bro. If I finish strong tomorrow, man, I could norm. I could norm. So
and
I'm
one
just...
of the requirements is now Swiss.
Yeah, Swiss, exactly,
So-
right? Yeah, I'm
that's what I
like,
was
I'm
trying
in
to
a
get
hot
into
spot.
here.
Yeah, it's hard, bro. But we're going to keep training. You know, we'll get together, bro. We'll get together. This is Joseph Vaughn, chat.
I
So y'all know.
voted maiden 2. That was
Damn.
6 against Brian Smith.
Oh, against Brian. Oh, but I mean, I understand because like the pressure. You know what I mean? Like you're
It was
playing
like
him,
2 minutes,
and you had 2 minutes. You playing Brian Smith too. You're trying to play your best, right?
It's
Yeah.
equal too.
Equal,
Like, it was
damn.
even
Equal.
material. All I had to do is protect against the mate. So you know the guard squares, Queen H,
Yeah.
Queen on H6,
Queen H6, Bishop H. Okay.
Bishop on F6.
Right.
So I had played H5. I had G7 covered. So
Okay.
I'm like, oh, everything's fine.
Right. But he still went Queen H6.
Then I went D4. He went Queen H6, and I'm like, what is it? And then I just pushed something on the other side, right?
Right.
And then I realized, oh, Queen H6 hits H8 as well.
And yes.
You can't protect H8.
You can't protect H8.
I just have to go King H7.
Yeah. King H7.
Actually,
Dang.
everything's fine.
Everything's fine. What was the game? You played E4?
Yeah.
And you played
King's Indian French. I played
Oh,
French.
okay. Played French,
Went
yeah.
D3, D5,
Right.
Queen E2.
Yeah, Queen E2 stuff. All
I
right.
just played D, E5.
Right. That's good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. You had a solid game. Yeah, you had a solid game there. Yeah. Just keep trying. Keep training. You know what it is. Just keep training, Chet. That's it.
I drew a low rating.
That's
That's
it. Right.
He just
When
traded
that
all
happens,
pieces off
oh, I
and I'm like,
hate that. Oh, was that a French exchange?
No, I was white, right?
Oh, he's white.
Played D4, Knight F6, Knight F3, G6, Knight BD2. One of those. I just wanted to get him out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Get him in his position.
Yeah, and I had good advantage too.
You're doing that tomorrow.
I just let him trade everything.
What's your next tournament?
Music City Open in Nashville.
I never heard of that.
$20,000 prize fund.
Whoa, that's a lot. When is that? This next
December
month?
9th to 11th.
Interesting.
And
Oh,
I'm
okay.
playing North American Open.
Oh, nice. That's good, bro. Playing well. Playing a
Trying
lot.
to norm at a Swiss event first. I don't have a norm yet.
Right. I understand, bro. You gotta get that one. That's the hard one. Is that Swiss one?
I was just trying to get FIDE up.
Yeah, me too. Get that FIDE up. Yeah. I'm doing good here.
It's gone a long way down.
Yeah, it did. It went down a
You're
lot.
getting back
Yeah. I'm like, I'm up 60 points right now. was nice, and especially from this tournament. This was very beefy tournament.
All started with the first win.
That's it, exactly. I got that first GM win. I'm like, oh, this is over. Oh, this is a wrap. This how we doing it, right? Oh yeah, this was feeling good.
In the lecture that he gave this morning, he showed your game first.
Wow, he did. He did. And he told me, he said something about that. He said something about the COE, calculation over everything, right, with the first game.
Right there.
Nice. Right here, yeah, absolutely, chat, you know.
CEO necklace and CEO.
You know what I'm saying? CEO, exactly. We here, chat. We here. The vibe is real. We in Charlotte. Let me turn this around. Y'all can see us. Let me talk. Is Big Dean here? Dean who? Who are you talking about? Dean who? Who's that? We got a drink courtesy of Rich Francisco right there. Courtesy of him. So we walking around, chilling still. Next round coming up soon. So, Canty, where's Danya? I don't know, bro. Danya be doing Danya stuff. So he play his game and then just disappear, and then be standing in the corner by himself. That's really how he be, bro. And just walking and pacing and doing nothing. The Abuelito, yeah, I don't think he's here. Where is Chris for you? Danya over by that door? Where he at? Oh, by that door from last time? Nah, he ain't in this room. Yeah, he ain't over here, bro. This spot, yeah, he's by that door. He's by that door, bro. Where is you, right? Chess Nerd Bird. What's up, bro? Chess Nerd Bird, chat. We streaming right now. It's Chess Nerd Bird. Y'all remember him? Yeah, that's right. It's him. We in person, chat. Chess Nerd Bird. That's an OG for y'all that really been on stream. That's right. How you been, bro? You all right?
Yeah, man, doing good.
It's good. It's good. How is Casa? Yo, what up? What's good?
What's up, Jacob?
Yo, Jacobo, bro. How you doing in this blitz?
4 out of 5.
Okay, you in under 2,000? Yeah, you shouldn't be, right? He shouldn't be, chat. He's sandbagging. I won. Yeah. Good job, bro. Yeah, and then he came out of retirement.
Oh, we here.
Yeah, we in here, right, my guy? We in here. We streaming right now. Right now. What's up, man? Yup, Chestnut Bird.
What up?
What up? Yeah, we deep right now. We deep. Everybody here.
Everybody else is doing. Everybody does it.
You know, I got a drink from Rich Francisco. He you want a drink? I'm like, yeah. He all right. So I got the drink, chat. Courtesy of Rich Francisco.
Hey, must be nice to have friends.
Yeah. Right. Hey, let's get a congrats to Dom. I just found out he having a kid, bro. Dom having a daughter. Can we get some congrats in the chat? Some congrats
Throw
here.
about 5 subs for the
You know what I'm saying? Exactly. Throw about 100, because that's how much they cost. About 150
I need
subs
some diapers, you know?
per hour.
I need diapers.
Yeah, I mean, congrats. Everybody congrats. You know what I mean? Right. Cheers, yeah. Cheers. Yep. That's right. That man is a father in about 4 months. A real dad. Get your sleep now, bro. Get your sleep now. Oh, it's gonna be rough for him. But, that's how it is. It's always a blessing. See them babies. Exactly. Could be a good baby. Right? Could be a good baby.
Nana was a good baby. All she did was sleep.
Hello. How you doing? Let's go. You need more than 100. Yeah, 100 per hour, bro. Per minute, Eric on chess. You know what I mean? Let's go. True life. Per minute. There's a lot of that. It's a lot of that. I've been a parent for 18 years. Sleep starts about there. After the third kid, my guy, jeez. And I got 2. So I understand you, Quicks Mix. I understand you. It's only 7, we talking years. Yeah, you're right. And they wondering how I'm able to study so much chess. You just adapt to not sleeping anymore. You know what I'm saying? I get my sleep though. 5 hours, 6. What's up? What you need me? Oh, how'd I do?
Yeah.
I won.
Are those the new pairings?
No, those are the old ones. It's Maya. We just said it. We just told the chat.
Canty does and not post
I didn't mark my result. That's the Dominique wife right there. That's the one who got the baby. What's up, man? What's good? Yo, you on the stream? Yeah, Dominique. That's his wife. He just got they having a baby. So they having a daughter in 4 months. That's coming up. You know what I mean? That's coming up. That's Maya. She out here working. Waiting on the next round. Hey, chat, y'all got me, right? Somebody said they got me. Congrats, yeah. On the pairings when they come out, so I ain't got to go out there. I don't feel like going out there now. That crowd. I got 1 in college and 1 in middle school. Jeez. Wow. Yeah, my sons is 2 years apart, so it's gonna be easy for them. Real easy. It's gonna be real easy. I mean, I did, bro. Did you win that game? Yeah. Yeah, we put you on that. That's why you was on it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, we walked behind. You didn't see, but I was behind you. Looking at the game for a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, I beat the shit out of
Yeah, I saw that. We saw that. Yeah.
I mean, I don't mean to cuss, man. It's pretty PG.
Nah. I mean, it's
what time is it?
PG-13.
PG-13?
And
Fuck that.
it's overnight. Exactly. Right. This is the nighttime stream.
Oh, my
You
lord.
know what I'm saying? He's here right now, bro.
Oh, LOL. I know.
Yeah, that's Natasha Archer, right?
Welcome to Charlotte.
Right.
This is where it's at.
This is where we in Charlotte, baby.
Peace.
You know what it is.
Love y'all.
You know what it
He's
is.
the best guy right here, man.
That's right. That's right.
Yo.
My guy. We here, chat. We here. Yeah.
Wrong me, but now I'm studious.
Kostia, say what up to the stream, bro.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, how's it going, chat? You know how soft he be so like calm, like Wesley Soul, Minlay vibes, right? You know. There you go, Kostia. His birthday just passed too. We went out to eat. Say happy birthday. Can we get a happy birthday to Kostia? 3-0. Chess Dojo live. Yeah.
Who's in the chat?
Who's in the chat? Kostia, love your recent coffee chess.
Is this live?
Yeah, it's live.
And
Yeah,
they
it's
can,
live.
like, type stuff?
Yep.
They're-
Sniper the
should be
Fox
saying
just-
hi.
You're right. Congrats on being born. Stop. Kostia, love recent. Hello, yo, Kostia, right? Yeah, say something to Kostia so you know it's live. So he can see you. Habs. Yo, what's good? Yeah, it's like 150 in here right now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's deep. It's deep. Let's go, Dojo.
There's like 150 in here.
There's like 150 people in this chat. In here. That's right. Right. Something to Kostia. Dojo. What's up, Kostia? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, the big 3-0, chat. Big 3-0. Oh, no, Mike. You know him? Okay.
Well, Eric Rosenfeld.
Oh, yeah, Eric Rosenfeld. Yeah. Happy birthday. Oh, man. That's right. Yeah, that's good. How you doing in the tournament?
Good, actually. 4-5.
Okay.
I lost to Antipov.
Oof. I mean, that's Antipov, I understand.
Yeah, he's good. But,
All right. 4-5 in the Blitz. Woo! He's swinging, chat. He's swinging. Yeah, that's nice. Well, Chess Dojo Live, chat. Y'all know who that is. Chess Dojo Live, the Dojo Talks. Make sure y'all know who that is. Y'all know who that is. That's Chess Dojo. I actually watched them. I'm not gonna lie. I actually watched them. For the fence. Yeah, Eric Rosen knows me too. Of course. You got the Oh No My Queen name, bro. Yeah. Gun Money. Gunner, y'all won. Yeah. Feeling good, you know. Finally caught a stride, finally.
Yeah, I got 3.5, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I got 2.5. I'm right behind you, right there. Nice. I caught a stride, finally. Lost 2 games. Yeah, right.
I don't want to lose, but hey.
Yeah, right. You know, get ready for tomorrow. Last 2.
Last 2 tomorrow.
Yeah, last 2. How many points you got?
I got 3 in the main section.
3 in the main, okay. Yeah,
3.5 in the
right.
Blitz.
If y'all just getting here, me and him beat a GM in the first round. Both of
We
us.
haven't beaten anyone.
Both of us. That's right. In fact, both of us haven't beaten anyone after the first round.
Yeah.
But I got all draws. He got 2 losses. I got 1.
On 1 game. That's the problem.
On 1 game, all the brilliant moves.
1 game. Really
That's
smart.
funny.
That,
Yeah.
not playing good. That's okay.
I'm up points though, and I'm close to Norm. That's the life. That's Gunner, chat. What is the parent? Oh, yeah, it's definitely hot in here. Definitely hot. Say hello to the chat.
Hi, chat.
Hi, chat. How you doing today? It's good. We vibing, chat. Everybody here. GM Killer, that's right. He's in New York. Who in New York? What are you talking about? You know, Rosen always shout me out. We always do. Yeah, we always shout you out, bro. Oh, no, my queen. Because, like, every time you see that, that's what you think about. Exactly. Yeah, Eric. You know Eric? You know E. Rosen?
Yeah, I went to the zoo with him, and he actually has pictures of me that he needs to get.
Wow.
We still don't have the
Eric?
the photography pictures.
Get them pictures. Let's get them pictures to him, Eric. Get the pictures to them. Why are you playing, Eric? Get them pictures to her, please, Eric Rosen. Thank you very much. Great game so far. Thank you, Tim and Philly. Mufasa, what's up, dog? What's good? What happened?
I stole ice cream from a kid.
Oh, you stole ice cream? She stole ice cream from her kid. She did it. She stole ice cream from a kid, guys. Wow. Yeah, on national television. On national. Look at her. She stole ice cream from a kid, Chad. Lock her up. Yep. Get her out of here. Call the security. Busted. Exactly. She busted. Yep. She did it. Pairings up. All right. Chat, y'all thought y'all had me. Where am I at? What board am I at, chat?
10.
I thought y'all had me. because I'm on the stream. 145. Caught in 4K. Caught in 4K. Chat, I thought y'all had me. What board am I at? Because I'm about to go out here. Since y'all 15 with black, obviously. I was actually about to go over there, but then I realized you tripping. Board 10 with white. Now I gotta go look myself. Now y'all tripping. Now I gotta go see where I'm at. I see y'all heard Canty putting a quick draw, McGraw. Oh, the big boy. Exactly. 9 with white. Yep. Exactly. Yeah, you're right, bro. Whatever y'all say, Jack. Whatever you say. I don't even know at this point. It's Maddie D. Perrine, chat. It's Maddie D. Yeah, Maddie D. Let's go, let's go.
I don't really understand why.
Let me see where I'm at. Let's see what board I'm at. I probably got black. Let's take a seat somewhere. You stupid Greyhound. Take a seat somewhere, bro. In black at board 25. Last round here, chat. Black at board 25. That's the last round. Black at board 25.
Okay, bye.
All right, chat, we here. 25 black. Yeah, thanks, Eric. Thanks, yep, thanks. Already got that. Drink all the drink before you move. Okay, standing around here. Somebody else left their drink too. That is not mine, chat. This one's mine though. This one's mine. Let's put this over here. You can see us. What a lap of what? What's up, man? Yeah, y'all can see it. All right, cool.
I'm watching the stream.
Yeah, huh? Well, I don't even remember. I think Amazon. I think I got it from Amazon. No, this is a travel one. It's like $30. Bro, cheap. I'm talking about cheap. I like the bargain, but this is it's a cheap one. I forgot. No, this one Bower, like Bower. ER. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, it's nice. I've been using this for the last year and a half. Yeah, BLWER. Fire. It's fire, man. It come with a little plug too as well that you can plug into the side, but I don't use it. I don't need it. Exactly. That's why I travel with it every time. Content. Oh, content. You know what I mean? Content. Right, baby. Y'all hear that, chat? Content, chat. You know? That's right.
That's the game.
That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game.
Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, ready?
Adjust.
Just. For draw.
Draw. Draw. Got a draw chat. Draw chat. Got up out of there. That's a draw. Got up out of there. Draw. Lots of trades. Happens. Black pieces. Can't be mad. That's Tiny Mama right there. Say hi, Tiny Mama right there. That's Tiny Mama. What's up, Max Space? What's good? Draw. I look lost. Nah, it was definitely a draw. Especially because, I mean, if I could get the knight around to, he offered me a draw because it's perpetual check. I can't get my king out. And also, he has there's mating threats of like queen f3, queen g2 check, mate. Right, if he trades queens, which I thought he was going to do, then I put the knight, I get the other knight, the knight that's not on a5, over to c3. I take the a2 pawn and then queen the a pawn. That was the whole goal. He was going to keep checking me. He was going to keep checking me. There's Tiny somewhere around here. I got 3.
That's
10
good.
to 3, yep. We got a 6. Yeah, it did blunder that pawn. Did you blunder that pawn or it was forced? It was complicated. I also was in time trouble too. Well, not time trouble, but you have to move quickly. It is 3 minutes with 2-second increment. So, you know, you got to be careful here. Drawn because of perpetual check. Did I understand it right? Correct. Correct. How can you drink and play chess well? Experience. 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 That's the only way that it works. It's the only way that it can work is through experience. It helps or not? No, it doesn't really help. It doesn't really help that much. It can. It can sometimes until it starts to kick in for real. Then it's a wrap. Then it's a wrap. But, you know, for the first, like, hour, oh, yeah, you good. Oh, you good. Oh, you playing on a different level. After that, it's a wrap. You know what I mean? There's definitely a plateau, yeah. So, Tony, his Pennsylvania partner is in chat. Let me see if I can find him. See if I can find Tony. See if I can find him real quick. Yo. What up, bro? Good. It's Justice, chat. You know what I mean? That's my dog. J Money. Yeah. We here. You know what I'm saying? Woo, we here. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Good. I beat another GM.
Wow. You did?
Just now.
Wow.
Baba London, baby.
What, with the Joe Baba?
Absolutely.
Oh, what was the line? D4, knight f6.
Yes,
D4, knight f6.
Knight c3, d5, bishop f4, and g6.
Oh, it's a wrap. Oh, it's already over.
That's-
It's already over.
line,
It's
bro.
already over. What'd you play? E3?
E3.
Bishop G7, H4.
H5, not a good
Okay.
move.
What'd you play? Knight f3?
Yeah, knight f3.
Okay, where do you go?
The castle, knight with knight e5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gunner played at Joe Baba, the Jar Jar Binks London that we like so much. Yeah.
Best line, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you.
Play it every game.
Ha! Did you play this
Every
tournament?
game, Chad.
You played this tournament?
I did. I drew that game.
Who'd you play?
I played some old guy, Peter Dyson from
What's he rated?
He's like 2,000 on his floor.
Yeah, on his
Fuck it
floor.
up, yo.
Dang. Yeah, you probably was winning though. You probably was winning. What was the Joe Baba he played on you?
He played bishop f5. I think it's the latest
Oh, that's
line.
the annoying stuff. It's not, bro. That's very annoying. Very. I drew somebody lower rated with that too.
I beat 2 GMs with it in class.
Wow, you beat 2 GMs with the Joe Baba London? You beat Oxshot? What you beat Oxshot with? What was the line? D4 knight c3? What did he play?
D5, bishop f4, c5.
You played the c5? What you play? E3?
E3, yeah.
Okay, take.
Then knight c6, knight
Right.
f3.
All right, A6?
No, sorry, he played a6 first.
A6,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, okay, so we get that position, knight e5.
Right.
Then bishop
Nice.
c7, g4.
Yeah, G4. That's the line. And you beat him. Oh my goodness, chat. We got Gunner here. Me and Gunner are like probably the only ones OTB that played the Joe Baba. For real, bro. OTB, me and him are the only ones doing it. Only ones.
All right, I'm gonna go.
That's Gunner. All right, bro. Catch you later, bro. For sure, man. I'm about to get out of here too. Hey, Money. Yo. How'd you do time? I got 3. Finished 50%. Ain't bad. Ain't terrible. Right. Thanks for the Nate Dog. That's right. That's what counts. And Bishop and Knight made it. You know what I'm saying? When the last time you Bishop and Knight made it, right? He did it OTB, bro. Come on, did y'all see that win? That was epic. That's the best game of the whole tournament, bro.
It's the first time that's ever happened.
Wow.
Over the board.
You know what I'm saying? Over the boards, man. That was nasty. That was nasty, Chad. I gotta go back and watch the replay.
It's fun to do. When
Yeah.
you know how to do it, you just
You're like,
display it.
right there in front of everybody like that on national television, and it was streamed.
Have you been live this whole time?
Whole time, bro.
So what do you do when you're playing? Does someone
Yeah, I actually,
film the games?
not just, that's why I got this, so I just like the legs on it, I just put it down, right.
What's up, chat?
On national chat, exactly. Eric Hansen made us all watch the instructional video on YouTube after. That's good, y'all need to know. Was watching Amon's London system on CHESSABLE. Dude is really good. Of course, bro. You don't just get the
Only
GM
that,
title.
That's why it's out there.
Eric says Amon has to move faster. Yeah, you're right. You're right. He's been in time trouble a lot.
That's why I'm playing the Blitz tournament.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Amon, my guy, shout out chess boxing. That's right.
My classical games, I get down to 3 minutes. These games start with 3
They
minutes.
start with 3. You know, that's the difference. That's